Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I am doing the art style challenge, where I basically draw myself in 6 different cartoon styles. This challenge was so fun to film and you guys should definitely try it out. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, turning on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts because I'm going to post there some photos of the new video. Also, go ahead and check out my community tab. If you're ready, let's get started. I already sketched the characters in this piece of paper. I started off by writing the title of this challenge on top of the page by using a black marker. I decided to do the first character in this big box. I went for the Powerpuff Girls. These characters have been so popular lately and I actually really like them. First, I am doing the outlines of the sketch. I highly recommend to use a pencil first so you don't do any mistakes. Clean it up and let's start coloring. As you can see, I went for my favorite colors as a theme for all the characters. For the eyes, I used black and green. I colored the dress and the hair clips in orange. All the characters will have the same hair color, which is this light brown. I went for this really cute hairstyle, which is actually inspired by one of the characters, Bubbles. I used a colored pencil for the skin because it's the only one that matches with my skin tone. And it's basically done. I love the way it turned out and I think that it looks amazing and something that describes me best. The second character is from the BT21 members friend line. I really like this character, so I decided to sketch my own one if I were part of the BT21. Most of the members picked animals for their characters, so I picked my favorite one, which is Cat. Her outfit is inspired by the character that I did on my last video for the art journal. I drew 2 hearts on her ears inspired by Mang's nose, which is in a heart shape. I wanted to do my favorite type of cat, which is the one with white, orange and black fur. Also some blush on her cheeks. And it is done. I really love it and it definitely shows my personality best as the other members too. Next, I am drawing this character inspired by the TV show called Gravity Falls. I love this show so much and I think that the characters are unique and very easy to draw. They have big googly eyes and a very weird smile. For the outfit, I picked an orange top layered with a white shirt under. Then I colored it using the same colors that I used for the Powerpuff Girl. And it is done. I think it turned out very well and all the details are very cute. Now I am drawing another famous cartoon show, which is the Fairy Odd Parents. I used to watch this show all the time when I was younger. I was making sure that every single detail was there, including the hair, the eyes, the teeth, and everything else. I started coloring. I used an orange marker to do some stripes at her t-shirt. and it is done. I really like it and it turned out the way I wanted to. The fifth character is actually inspired by a very popular game, which is Among Us. Everyone be playing it so much, and I definitely really like the details of like the hats and the characters and everything else. For my Among Us character, I decided to go for orange, which is my favorite color, and she's holding on her hand a paintbrush. I actually noticed this detail when the imposter kills a crewmate. They have a knife on their hand, but I decided to go for a paintbrush on their hand. Then for her hat, I decided to go for some cat ears, which are actually not part of the game, but I really wanted to design something that I like. Now let's color it all up and it is done. It was actually very easy to create. You can definitely go for any colors and hats that the characters own, but this way that it turned out, it's actually my favorite one, and whenever I play this game, I always go for orange. Okay, last but not least, the sixth character is inspired by the film called The Peanuts. I honestly love this film so much. I think that the characters look so cute, and for my character I decided to go for like some short brown hair and that weird smile and eyes. And also for her outfit, I used the same one that I used for the Gravity Falls character. Clean it up and let's get coloring. For her hair, I went with brown. For her t-shirt, I went with orange. And for the skin, I used the same one that I used for the other characters. This one was definitely the easiest of all of them, and I honestly love it so much. I think that it looks kind of me if I were part of the film. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and I hope that I inspired you to turn yourself into some really cute cartoon characters. I really enjoyed doing this challenge. It was very fun and unique, and all the characters look so cute. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram because I'm gonna post there some stories and photos of this new video. Also, let me know in the comments down below which one of these cartoon characters was your favorite. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!